Hey, grade 1A. So here we are for our math lesson. Hope you're having a wonderful Tuesday morning. And I am here in the gym, super duper quiet, self-isolating at its best. And I thought, why don't we do the math lesson from here today? So we're going to learn about a very hungry alligator who always is very greedy and always wants to eat lots and lots of things. So we're looking at what's greater than or what's less than. Looking at and comparing numbers, seeing which ones are higher or lower. So over here I have made two hoops, and you can very clearly see from this picture which one the hungry caterpillar is going to eat. This one says is greater than. Maybe you can already point to the hoop that the hungry alligator would like to eat. You got it. That's right. And so we make sure that his mouth is open to that side. So this is greater than this. Very good. Now how about if I add more balls to this hoop? It starts getting a little bit trickier just by looking at the hoops. You will have to actually count all the balls to see which one is greater than, which one is less than. So today we're going to do an activity with our numbers, and I'm going to show you how to do it, okay? So I'm just going to put you guys down there like that. Perfect. So from your bag, your number 2 bag, you are going to grab 2 numbers and write them on the box in page 11. So I grabbed the number 46, okay? So I'm going to write 46, like that. And I also grabbed the number 83. Now, you can maybe already know which number is greater. But if you don't, let me show you a trick to work it out. Here we have our tens and ones little chart. Here is the number 46. And here is the number 83. And I made sure that our tens are in the tens side and our ones are on the ones side. So if you want to see which number is greater, you should look at the numbers in the tens first. Okay, so let's have a look. There's a 4 there and there's an 8 there. So that's pretty easy. We know straight away that this whole number is greater than this number. 83 is greater than 46. So hungry alligator would have his mouth wide open to 83. So I'm going to go back to my booklet and I'm going to draw my hungry alligator's mouth wide open facing the bigger number. And if I want to get creative, I can even add some teeth. There we go. Now, how about, what if I ended up picking 2 numbers? Like 67, I'm going to write it in my book. 67, and I also picked 65. I wrote them on my sheet first. Okay. And I put them on my board, or put them in front of me. And I look at my tens first. Oh, there's 6 tens here, there's 6 tens there. Hey, that's exactly the same. So if your tens are the same, then you have to look at your ones and see which ones are more. Here we have 7 ones, and here we have 5 ones. Easy peasy, you know that 7 is more than 5. So this number, 67, is more than 65. And you might already be like, Miss, that's so easy. So I have to make sure that I now open the alligator mouth to the bigger number. So for this one, it's going to look like this. 67 is greater than 65. And then you continue. I'm even going to get creative again. You're going to continue picking out 2 numbers from your bag. writing them in your boxes and deciding which way the alligator mouth should go. Which should it go open to that number or open to that number? Remember, the alligator's mouth should always be open to the biggest number because he loves eating the bigger things. He's quite greedy. All right, so you continue doing this until the whole sheet is full. Great job, everybody.